link, share this. Okay, I am also creating a post relating to it. Okay, you to share. Hello. Hello. Just inform your friends to come live. Okay, here we are. So let us start with the material itself. Okay, we are going to discuss cost accounting. Let us wait for 2 minutes so others may join. So cost accounting marathon we are doing material, labor, two units are there important. It is started. You can. Some of them are messaging me. Please, if anything is there, please message here itself, not in my WhatsApp, please. If I go back, it again ends. So better we use here itself. So cost accounting marathon. Material, in material stores ledger one problem will come or stock level problem will come. EOQ short may theory or problem will come, and stock level problems also will come in the, and theory point of view ABC analysis, weight analysis. Okay, these are also important. What is not clear, boss? It is very clear from my side. Check your check your check your video. My side it is very clear. My side it is very clear, boss. Anyone others, please tell me, is it not visible to you? Hello. From my side it is appearing clearly. So do you want material problems to be done here? Already playlist is available relating to material and labor. Okay, shall we do the problems relating to them, or we will go with the some other questions like unit output costing, job costing, unit or output costing, job costing, these also available, right? So now tell me which one we need to do. Let us see one by one. From material we will do, no problem. See, you can see just now I said what is material. In material, what is EOQ? One question generally will be asked. Okay, and long questions. Okay, one problem we will do. What do you mean by reorder level? Calculate maximum minimum reorder level from the following data. This is relating to material question. and we are having stores lecture problems also. Okay, so shall we go with the this one, stock level problems? Please give a comment. Please give a comment. Shall we do the reorder level? Okay, maximum level, minimum level problems. Okay, hello, just give a comment. Reorder quantity, reorder period, maximum consumption, minimum consumption, normal consumption, these are being given to us, right? So let us do one by one. Now video is clear na? Now video is clear. Is it clear now? See, you might be having your own material relating to previous exam questions. Please look into them. Many of my students I gave the material. For others, if you have SIA book at the back, you will be having these questions. For convenient purpose, I have made a Xerox copy. Okay, so let us do the problem relating to it. फटाफट कर लेंगे. Okay, so before that, I would like to tell you formulas relating to it, right? What are the formulas relating to reorder level? Reorder level is equals to maximum usage into maximum reorder period. Reorder level formula is what? Maximum usage into maximum reorder period, and minimum stock level formula is ROL, reorder level, minus average usage into average reorder period. Then maximum stock level formula is ROL plus ROQ. Check your network ma, check your network. From my side it is very clear. Okay, from my side it is very clear. पूरा क्लियर है मेरे तरफ से. प्लीज़ चेक योर नेटवर्क. ROL plus ROQ minus minimum usage into minimum reorder period, minimum usage into minimum reorder period. Then average stock level formula is maximum stock level plus minimum stock level divided by 2. And when maximum stock level is not available, average stock level we will calculate with this minimum stock level plus half of reorder quantity. Okay, next danger level, average daily consumption into emergency purchase time, average consumption into emergency purchase time, that is the formula for the danger level. Note, if ROQ is not given in the question, consider EOQ as ROQ. EOQ will become ROQ. Okay, got it? Hope it is clear now. So let us do the problems relating to this. Okay, so let us do one problem relating to it so that you can easily understand what is given in the question, right? So in the exam question you can see we are being given this information. Okay, I am writing over here. We are doing November December 2018, November December 2018 question. We are doing November December 2018 question, and question number is 10A. 10A we are doing. Okay, working notes are data given. Working notes are data given. Okay, working notes are data given. In this point number 1, reorder quantity, reorder quantity, we call it as ROQ in shortcut, given in the question 1500 units. Okay, next point number 2, reorder period, maximum and minimum. So minimum, here in the question it is given 4 to 6 weeks. So 4 is minimum reorder period. So minimum reorder period equals to 4 weeks, and maximum reorder period is 6 weeks. Please write along with me, your revision will be done, right? And fourth one point, average reorder period, that is maximum reorder period plus minimum reorder period divided by 2. So 6 plus 4 divided by 2, 10, 10 divided by 2, 5 weeks, it will be 5 weeks. Next, point number 5, maximum consumption, maximum consumption, maximum consumption 400 units per week they gave. Then minimum consumption, minimum consumption, so 240 units per week. Next, sorry, 250 units, it is 250 not 240. And they said seventh one, point number 7, normal consumption, normal consumption. Please adjust with the handwriting, as we need to do faster, I am doing like this. Okay, 300 units per week. These are the information given to us, right? So from this we need to calculate reorder level, maximum level, minimum level, right? So here I am making a statement showing various stock levels. एक बार सबको याद आ जाएगा पूरे ये कर लिए तो, राइट? particulars, and this is working area and this is area. Okay, particulars, workings and answer, 3 columns we will give, right? In these 3 columns we will write. First, we need to do a reorder level. Reorder level, what is reorder level formula? Maximum consumption into maximum reorder period. What is your maximum consumption given in the question? 400 units. So 400 units into 6 weeks is the maximum period. So 4 6 are 2400, right? 400 into 6, 2400 units. This is our maximum reorder, that is reorder level. Next, we need to calculate B, minimum stock level. So minimum stock level formula is what? Minimum stock level is equals to ROL minus average consumption into average reorder period, right? So what is your reorder level? Just now we have got 2400 units, okay, minus what is your average or normal consumption? 300 units. So 300 units into what is the average reorder period? 5 weeks. So 2400 minus 3 into 5 weeks, 300 into 5, 1500. So 2400 minus 1500, it is 900. So 900 is your minimum units, right? Next we need to calculate maximum stock level. So I'm writing here maximum stock level formula. Okay, so here C bit I am doing maximum stock level. What is maximum stock level formula? ROL plus ROQ minus minimum usage or consumption into minimum reorder period, right? So what we need to do? Maximum consumption. Okay, maximum consumption, maximum stock level is equals to ROL. What is your ROL? 2400. And ROQ is given in the question is 1500 units. So we need to take that 1500. Okay, minus minimum consumption 400 units is given in the question, 400 units into minimum time required is reorder period is 4 weeks. So 2400 plus 1500 3900. फिर भी एक बार टोटल कर लेंगे. 2400 plus 1500 3900, right? So 3900 minus, okay, 4 into 4 1600, right? So 3900 minus 1600, it will be maximum stock level equals to how much? 2300 units. So we have got minimum stock level, we have got maximum stock level. Now we need to do average stock level. Okay, though it is not asked in the question, here in the question maximum stock level, minimum stock level, reorder तीनों ही पूछे. For practice purpose I am saying let us do the average stock level also. So let us do average stock level. Average stock level. What is your average stock level? Average stock level is equals to what? Average stock level is equals to maximum stock level plus minimum stock level divided by 2. Maximum plus minimum divided by 2. So maximum stock level is 2300 we got. Minimum stock level we have got is 900. So 900 plus 900 units divided by 2. So 2300 plus 900 divided by 2, it is 1600. There is another formula if you don't have maximum stock level. Okay, if there is no maximum stock level, average stock level, we have another formula. Average stock level equals to minimum stock level plus half of ROQ, half of reorder quantity, right? So what is our minimum stock level? 900 units, right? 900 units plus 1 by 2 of 1500 reordering quantity, right? So 1500 में आधा. So 900 units plus 1500 into 1 by 2 750. So 750 units. Oh my god, pen क्या हुआ? We'll take another pen, no problem. So it is 900 plus 750, 1650 units. This is also average stock level, but one thing you remember, in both the methods answer will not match because two are different formulas for average stock level. Okay, so this is how you need to do. Next, sir, I think everyone know FIFO method, LIFO method, weighted average and simple average method. See, those are lengthy process. those I have already uploaded some videos relating to them. You can have those in the playlist mein hai, you can check it from there. Let us see the next question. Okay, next question we will do same similar to this, but here A and B, two products are there. Here you can see two components A and B are used: normal usage, minimum usage, and maximum usage. These are units. Reorder quantity A and reorder quantity B. Reordering quantity A का B का दोनों का अलग अलग दिए, 4 to 6 weeks and 3 to 4 weeks. Minimum is 4 weeks and maximum is 6 weeks divided by 2. 6 plus 4 divided by 2, 5 weeks is average. And for this one B, 2 to 4 weeks. 2 plus 6 4 6 6 divided by 2, you will be getting how much? We will be getting 3. 3 is the average here. Same similar to this we need to do for both product A as well as product B. You need to do one long question he has asked from stock level itself. Another weighted average price method is there. See, under weighted average price method, this is what June July 2019. Let me check. uh, just a minute. July 2021. If I have the answer relating to that we can write November December 2019. Okay, here we are having one problem, weighted average method. Let us see the weighted average price related problem. Okay, here in the question we are having, okay, stores lecture we are doing under weighted average price. Which price? Weighted average method. Okay, సార్ ప్రాసెస్ అకౌంట్ కూడా చేద్దాం సార్. ప్లీజ్ స్టే we will do each and everything. We are doing stores lecture now. Okay, stores lecture we are doing material chapter. See, till the evening I'll cover each and everything, don't worry about it. Have some patience, we will do one by one. Okay, stay online, whatever is there we will do from that. Okay, already done answer is with me. Okay, I'll show the answer one by one. Okay, so let us do this one, because to do the problem it will take much time, but already did problem you can easily get through. So one simple funda we need to follow in case of weighted average is, how you will get weighted average price means unit amounts divided by unit, you will get the rate. So in the weighted average price method, balance column rate we need to take as unit, rate is equals to amount divided by units. And see here, when we are preparing stores lecture, let me show you, hope it is appearing clearly now, right? Just, is it okay now, right? Shall we go ahead? Hello, just give me a comment, and with adjustments this problem is there. Okay, with adjustments we are going to solve this problem. Stores lecture related adjustments also there. Okay, first I'll explain you how to do the adjustments relating to stores lecture. Later we will go with the stores lecture problem, right? So stores lecture related adjustments, you can see here, adjustments relating to returns will be there. What? Returns. If it is return, what it is? Returns. Okay, there will be two types in returns. Okay, return to stores from production department. from production department we are getting return. So in that case, okay, in that case what we need to give, we need to give receipt to treatment. Which treatment we need to give? We need to give receipt to treatment. Okay, and rate, if rate is given, take such rate. Okay, rate जो दे rate दिए वो, suppose 2 rupees is the rate of goods which are returned, you take that rate. Okay, and if rate is not given but date is given, rate is not given but date is given, date, okay, rate on that date we need to take, rate on the date we need to take. Suppose here 5th January issued, goods returned. Okay, 5th January whatever goods you have issued, those have been returned. So 5th January issue rate is 3 rupees, so this 50 units we have got returned, so we need to take 5th January rate 3 rupees in the rate column, and amount will become units into rate 150, right? Both rate and date are not given. Please remember this point. Please remember this point. Take the latest issue rate. If rate is not given and date is not given, both are not given, okay, in that case units, rate, amount, units into 4 rupees 400, latest issue rate we need to take. Okay, latest issue rate example के लिए 4 rupees ले लिए अपन. Okay, if it is returns from production department to stores department, receipt treatment. Return from stores department to supplier or purchase return or return to vendor, it is called. What it is called? Return to vendor. Issue treatment we need to give. Okay, rate is given, take that rate. If rate is not given, date is given, take the rate on such date. Okay, next, both date and rate are not given, take the latest purchase rate. In case of issue treatment, when goods are returned, we are returning, so latest purchases have been returned. Okay, and other adjustments will be, one is shortage, another one is shortage, another one is surplus. Okay, when there will be surplus and shortage, okay, book stock is more than the actual stock, okay, then it is treated as shortage. If book stock is, okay, in the stores ledger book stock is, okay, is lesser than the actual physical stock, then it is surplus. Book lo stock ఎక్కువగా ఉంది but physical stock తక్కువగా ఉంది, then okay, we need to treat surplus. So let us see these things. Okay, shortage and surplus. For surplus we need to give receipt treatment. For surplus we need to give receipt treatment and latest purchase rate we need to take. For shortage we need to give issue treatment, rate as per the method followed. Which method you are following? FIFO method, LIFO method, weighted average method, whatever method you are following, in that method we need to do. Okay, hope you have understood now. Let us do the next thing. Here we are doing weighted average price method problem. So first let us see the format, what will be there in the format. Okay, format, first stores ledger for the month November month, under weighted average price method we wrote. Next, date, particulars, under receipts 3 columns will be there, rate, units, rate, amount. Okay, how you will get amount? Amount will be equals to, here in the receipt column, units into rate. Okay, issue column again units, rate, amount 3 will be there, and in balance column units, rate and amount. Okay, in each column 3 and remarks 1 column additionally you keep for calculations purpose as a remark column. Okay, next, in case of receipt, weighted average price method I am saying, units plus units we need to do. What we need to do? We need to do units plus units and amount plus amount. First do those things, later go for the calculation of rate. First do the units plus units, then do the amount plus amount, then calculate the rate on that date. Okay, amount divided by units, you will get the rate. Okay, hope you have got it. Okay, let us see the question relating to it and let us solve the problem. Okay, opening stock is given 2000 units at 5 rupees, issued 1500 units to production. This is issue. On 5th, received 450 units at 6 rupees each, issued 1600 units, returned to stores by production department. Okay, from the issue of November 3rd. On November 3rd, whatever rate is there, na, that rate we need to take, right? November. When date is given, we need to take the rate on such date, I said. Next, received 2400 units at 6.5, returned to supplier. We are returning to supplier. Okay, quantity received on 5th November. Here also date is given. 5th November, what is the rate? 6 rupees. We need to take this under issue. Okay, then received 1000 units at 7 rupees per unit. On 24th, issued to production 2400, received 1200 at 7.5, issued to production. Like this, adjustments are there. Let us do this one by one. I'll explain, don't worry about it. Okay, so 1st November 2018, 1st November, to balance brought down. Balance column we need to write. In balance column we need to write, so 2000 into 5 rupees. Okay, 10,000. As it is opening balance, we are taking value given here. Okay, next on 3rd, issued how much? 1500 units to production. So by issued to production, in issue column we need to write, not in receipts column. So 1500, 5 rupees each, and rate how you need to take? Amount divided by units. So amount is 10,000 and units are 2000. So rate is what? 5 rupees. That 5 rupees we have taken here. So 5 into 1500, 7500. Now doing the calculation relating to units column. In case of issue, what I said, we need to do units minus units. Out of 2000 units, we have issued 1500. We will be having 2000 minus 1500, 500. And rate, okay, don't do the rate first itself. Rate you don't do first itself. Okay, मैं यहाँ पे क्या कर रहा हूँ, छुपा दे रहा हूँ. Okay, I'm covering it. And amount we need to calculate. Amount in case of issue, amount minus amounts. Old amount is how much? 10,000 and issued is 7,500. So 10,000 minus 7,500, you will get amount 2,500, and 2,500 divided by 500 units, rate is 5 rupees. Okay, got it? Next, 5th November, 2 receipts we have got 4,500. See here, received 4,500 at 6 rupees each. So 4,500 into 6 rupees in, okay, we have got 27,000. And go to the balance column. In balance column, what we need to do? We need to add units plus units first. 5,000 units presently per old balance, sorry, 500 units old balance, and we have got 4,500 just purchased. So total it is 5,000 units. How much? 5,000 units. And for amount, what we need to do? Amount plus amount. Old amount is how much? Old amounts 2,500 and presently purchased value 27,000. Together it is 29,500. 29,500 divided by 5,000 units, you are getting 5.9 as the rate. Okay, got the point? Let us see the next transaction. Next is what happened on 10th, issued 1600 units. How much? 1600 units. So 10th November, in particulars by issue I will write, and in receipts we will not write the amount, we will write in the issue column. So in issues 600 rate. What is the previous rate? 5.9. So take 5.9. So 1600 into 5.9, 9440. And in case of issue, what we need to do? Units minus units. So 5000 minus 1600, 3400 we need to take. And here 29500 minus 9440, this purchase issue amount deduct, you will be having 20,060 rupees. And 20,060 rupees divided by number of units 3400, it is 5.90. 5.90 it will be, right? Next, return. Next is what? Return to stores 100 units by production department. So it is a receipt treatment. We are getting returns from the production department, but it is relating to 3rd November, issued on 3rd November. Let us see that how to solve that one. So two returns from production department are returned to stores. How many units? 100 units. Receipt column we are taking, and we need to take November 3rd rate. November 3rd, what is the issue rate? November 3rd, go to the November 3rd transaction. November 3rd issued to production. What is the rate? 5 rupees. This 5 rupees we need to take of November 3rd. Okay, 5 rupees. So 100 into 5, 500. And it is receipt treatment, weighted average price method. You can add the totals. So 3400 plus 100 units, 3500 units. And in amount, old amount 20,060 plus new amount 500, 20,560. 20,560 divided by 5.87. 5.87 you are getting. Okay, so multiply it. 20,560 will be if you multiply you will get, no need of multiplying, you can check it, approximate करे होंगे 8.7. okay, next 16th received 2400 at 6.5. so on 16th, two receipts 2400 units into 6.50, 15,600. And it is receipt treatment. So in case of receipt, what I said, units plus units. So what we need to do? 3500 old units plus new units 2400, total 5900. And in case of amount, first to write the amount, don't write the this amount. Okay, unit per unit rate column you don't write first. First you do the total. 20,560 plus 15,600 together 36,150. 36,150 divided by 5,900. So it is becoming 6.13. 6.13 is the rate. So let us see the next. 19th returned is over. Return to, sorry, we need to do this one now. Return to suppliers 200 of quantity received on 5th November. Be careful with this. Okay, 19th by return to supplier of 5th November. So in the issue column we need to take 200 units and rate is 6 rupees because 5th November purchased goods you are returning. So go to 5th November, see the rate, and that rate you take it here. So 200 into 6 rupees, 1200. And in amount column we need to do 5900 minus 200, it is 5,700. And in amount column, amount minus amount, 36,160 minus this 1200, it is becoming 34,960. And 34,960 divided by 5700, 6.13. okay, hope you have got it. Next one we need to do is 20th received 1000 units at 7.7 rupees. Okay, so 20 November you need to write 20 November, 2 receipts, 100 units in receipts column at 7 rupees each, 7,000. and in in balance column, units plus units, 5700 plus newly purchased 1000, it will become 6700. And in amount column, 34,960 old balance plus newly purchased 7000, it is becoming 41,960. 41,960, right? Okay. Next, you can check it from here, divided by number of units, you will get 6.26, right? Next, on 24th, issue to production 2100. So 24th, by issue, write it in issue column. In issue you will write 2100, and rate, this rate you will take, okay, 6.26, okay, and multiply it, it is becoming 13,146. And in case of issue, units minus units, 6700 minus 2100, right? And amount column, 28,814 minus, sorry, 41,960 minus 13,146, 28,814. 28,814 divided by 4,600 units, rate is 6.26. Next we have received, okay, 1200 units at 7.5. On 27, 2 receipts, 1200 units at 7.5, 100 rupees. So 500, total 4600 old balance plus 1200, okay, and amount 28,814 plus 9000, it is 37,814 divided by 5800 units, it is 6.52, right? Next, on 29th, there is a issue last date, 29th, issue to production 2800. So 29th, here 29th, by issue we are writing in issue column, 2800 into 7.5, sorry, 6.52, this rate will come here, 18,256, okay. In case of issue, simple logic I am selling. In case of issue, first units minus units, 5800 previous units minus how many units you have issued, 2800, so deduct them, 3000 you are having balance. And for that, how much amount, okay, what is old amount, 38,000, sorry, 37,814, 37,814 minus this 18,256, 18,256 minus करने के बाद we are getting 19,558, and 19,558 divided by 3000 units, this value you are getting per unit 6.52. And in the end they will ask what is the closing stock value. By closing stock 3000, by closing stock 3000 units, whatever is closing value are there, that value we will take. Last date transaction, last date values only you need to take under closing stock. And sometimes they may ask how much material has been consumed. For that, what we need to do, by raw material consumed, do the totals of issue column, units as well as amount. Don't do the per unit column, don't do the per unit column, please. Only you do the total units and total amount, that's it, okay. Hope you have got it, how to do weighted average price method problem. चलो लाइक कर दो, 10 लोग हैं यहाँ पे, लाइक्स तो 7 ही है, एक बार लाइक कर दो जो भी है. एनी डाउट्स, any doubts relating to it? See, simple average price method, FIFO method, those also will come in the exam, prepare them. Otherwise to explain these simple problems it will take much time. So let us do one more problem. And one more thing I want to tell you all, that we are having a short question answers playlist is there of cost accounting, previous 6 to 7 exam papers. If you solve those papers, okay, by viewing them, you can get easily 20 marks. 20 मार्क्स से शॉर्ट क्वेश्चंस के मैंने वीडियोस प्लेलिस्ट लगाए, तो शॉर्ट क्वेश्चंस वहाँ पे कवर कर लेना. ओके राइट. ईवोक्यू का बोलना नहीं, ईवोक्यू इज़ वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट वन अंडर शॉर्ट. सो shall we do labor? Shall we go for labor? Hello, someone please tell me something. Hello, are you there? Hello. Online 8 people are there. You can give your replies through comments. Comment करके बता दो. Shall we go with the labor or shall I explain one more problem relating to this material itself? Make it fast, जल्दी बता दो. Hello, hello. Mic testing 1 2 3. Hello, hello. Mic testing 1 2 3. Shall we do labor? Hello, madam. Okay, let us go with the labor problems. Okay, this is stores lecture under base stock. Base stock also very important one, previously asked in the November 2021. Okay, see, come to the Telegram channel. I'll provide these notes of previous exam questions in the channel. You can get it from there. Okay, these are important questions relating to them. Let us see the now लेबर चैप्टर करेंगे फटाफट. हेलो, हाउ मेनी ऑफ यू वांट लेबर? जल्दी कमेंट कर दो, जल्दी से. सर हो या नहीं? So first let us write the formulas relating to labor. Labor is mainly related with the formulas. If you know the formulas, you can do it easily. Okay, I'll do the problems, don't worry. अच्छा, बुक में से एक्सप्लेन कर दो ऑलरेडी सॉल्व प्रॉब्लम और शेल वी डू इट, वो बताओ. हेलो हेलो. See, it is not live session, live class where we can see each other. If you say something in the comment, then only I can understand. If you are not giving comments, I'll go with the flow of my own. Shall we? Hello. Okay, without wasting further more time, let us do the labor. Right? In labor, what we have? In labor, there are two methods. One is time rate. One is what? Time rate system. Pen. Let me take new pen. Time rate. Okay, labor under time rate. Time rate system. Okay, under time rate system we are having three. One is simple time rate. What is one? Simple time rate. Right? Simple time rate, what is the formula? Simple time rate, what is the formula? E for earnings is equals to T into R. Okay, here E is equals to earnings, T is equals to time taken. Okay, generally in hours it will be. Then R is equals to rate per hour. Please remember this point. Per hour we will take the rate. Okay, next we will be having bonus or premium plans under. One is Halsey bonus or premium plan. What is Halsey bonus or premium plan? Okay, E is equals to See here, along with this is generally T into R is whatever is there now. This is normal wages. Normal wages we can call it as, or normal guaranteed wages. Okay, so T into R will be there anyway. This is normal wages plus bonus S minus T into 50% plus, sorry, into R. R means rate per hour. Same things here. Extra fitting is what? S. What is S here means? S is equals to standard time. Standard time is S. Okay, and instead of 50% in the question they may say some other percentage. Okay, if some other percentage is given, that other percentage only we will take. Okay, so this is about, I'll say, formula. Next one is row 1. What row 1 says? Row 1 says don't give directly 50% flat rate bonus. Bonus should be according to the efficiency of the people. So row 1 bonus or premium plan. If they say premium or bonus, both are one and the same. So what is row 1 formula? E is equals to T into R plus S minus T divided by S into T into R. Here one thing you need to remember. Okay, this whole part is bonus. This is what? Bonus. And this is what? Normal wages. Okay, normal wages will be there in all, whether it is simple time rate, whether it is halsey or row 1, normal wages will be there. Okay, normal wages, and this entire portion is bonus. Okay, in the short question sometimes they say bonus. That bonus means only this portion. That bonus means only this portion. Please be careful with the wordings given in the question. And let us do one problem relating to time rate. Later we will discuss the piece rate, and we will do the problem relating to that also. Let us do one question relating to this. Where is the question related to लेबर वाला प्रॉब्लम यहाँ पे मिल गया. राइट, सी हियर, दिस इज जून जुलाई 2019 क्वेश्चन. विच वन? जून जुलाई 2019 क्वेश्चन, एंड वेरी गुड क्वेश्चन. ओके, लॉन्ग क्वेश्चन, अच्छा वाला क्वेश्चन है. whoever आर देयर प्लीज गिव ए कमेंट. सी फॉर्मूलास अभी अपन लिखे. टी इंटू आर सिंपल टाइम रेट, T into R plus S minus T into 50% into R, this is halsey, and T into R plus S minus T divided by S into T into R, this is row 1, and this portion is treated as bonus. अभी अपन प्रॉब्लम करेंगे उसी में. Calculate the earnings of a worker from the following information under time method. Okay, time rate method means simple time rate method, halsey plan and row 1 plan. Standard time they gave 30 hours, time taken 20 hours, halsey rate 1 rupee per hour plus DA 50 paise per hour work. Shall we do the problem, or shall I show you how to solve the problem? Okay, see here in the question what is given. 30 hours standard. So statement showing the same question, July 2019, question number 11. Okay, we are doing statement showing earnings of a worker under simple time rate and halsey and premium row 1 bonus plan. Simple time rate, halsey and row 1, 3 columns we have taken for 3 of methods. Particulars. In particular, first we will write standard time, 30 hours, 30 hours, 30 hours for each. Time taken 20 hours, 20 hours, 20 hours. and rate per hour is given 1 rupee, 1 rupee, 1 rupee. Okay, first one, guaranteed wages. How you will get guaranteed wages? T into R, 20 20 20. Okay, next, dearness allowance. Dearness allowance given in the question is 0.5 paise per hour worked. So 0.5 paise per hour worked. How many hours employee is working? On the basis of that. So 0.5 paise of hours worked. How many hours employee work? 20 hours. So 20 into 0.5, 10 rupees, 10 rupees, 10 rupees in all the three. In all the three you can write. Okay, next, bonus. See, for bonus we need to calculate, okay, working note. Separate working note we need to do. Okay, here I am calculating bonus. Okay, where is the working? Right, here you can see bonus calculation. I'll say bonus is how much? 50% means 1 by 2 into S minus T into R. Right? In simple time rate, bonus is not applicable. In Halsey method, we are calculating. Okay, 1 by 2 into S minus T into R. What is your S? 30 minus 20 into 1 by 2. 30 minus 20, it is how much? 30 minus 20. 30 minus 20, 10 ना. फिर भी कैलकुलेटर ले लेंगे. How much they are saying? Into 1 by 2. So divided by 2, 5 hours. 5 hours into 1 rupee, 5 rupees is the bonus we got. Okay, under which method? Time Halsey premium method. In row 1, S minus T divided by S into T into R. Sir, already normal wages we have taken there. Only bonus part we are calculating here. So 30 hours minus 20 hours divided by 30 hours into T into R, 20. Right? T into R is 20. So 30 minus 20, 10. Right? 10 divided by 30, that is 1 by 3 into 20. 6.666 means 6.67 we have taken here. So right now add guaranteed wages 20 rupees plus DA 10 rupees, 30 here under simple time rate. Under Halsey 20 rupees plus 10 rupees 30 plus 5 rupees bonus 35. Under row 1, 20 plus 10, 30 plus 6.7, 36.7. Okay, hope you have got it. Wages from working note 20, 25, 30, dearness allowance. Okay, and total earnings. This is the total earnings per hour without DA, with DA. Right? Next, here you can calculate in another method. Okay, in another method how to calculate I am saying. This 25, 26.5 kaise aaya? If you want to do in my model, you can do in my model, or else you can do in the other method which other lecturers might have said you. What is time rate? Time rate is how much? T into R, 20 hours into 1 rupee, 20 rupees. Simple. Right? Halsey E is equals to T into R plus 1 by 2 of S minus T into R. 1 by 2 means 50%. Okay, 20 hours into 1 rupee, 20. 1 by 2 of S minus T. 30 hours minus 20 hours, 10 hours. 10 by 2, 5. 5 into 1, 5. So 20 plus 5, 25 we have got. Okay, in this method you will calculate. You can calculate like that also. T into R. T into R plus S minus T into R. So T into R, 20 into 1 rupee, 20 rupees. S minus T, 30 hours minus 20 hours divided by 30. That is 30, 10 divided by 30 into 20. So 20 rupees plus 6.67 we are getting. So 26.67 you can calculate. Now you have calculated wages under separate working note, not as this. Okay. Next you will prepare a statement like this. ओके सिंपल हाल से रो वन वेजेस वर्किंग नोट वन से जो भी आप कैलकुलेट करें 20 25 26.7 एंड डियरनेस अलावेंस रुपीज़ 0.5 इंटू 10 0.5 into number of hours worked 20 hours into 0.5 10 10 10 in all total earnings add this. Okay, same answer you will get of which I said earlier. This is good presentation. This is your method of doing where you will do the in working notes, and later we need to add DA. Don't forget to add DA to the whatever you have calculated wages. Hope you have got it. So we have completed here time rate system. Let us see one more question relating to what we call नवंबर दिसंबर 2018 नवंबर दिसंबर 2018 में आपको दूसरे मेथड का और एक क्वेश्चन है. सो लेट अस सॉल्व दैट वन टू. ओके, लेट अस सॉल्व दैट वन. टेलर एंड मेरिक वाला क्वेश्चन. ओके, नवंबर दिसंबर 2018 नवंबर दिसंबर 2018. ओके, सी ईयर. I'll zoom it so that you can clearly see the question. Hope it is appearing now. Hope it is appearing now. From the following particulars, calculate two workers, okay, earnings of two workers A and B who paid wages under Merrick differential system. Under whose system? Merrick differential plan. Okay. Normal piece rate up to 83% is 5 rupees. Task rate is 40 units per week. In one week, how much they need to do? This is your standard output we call. And output of workers A 32 units, B 42 units. This is actual output. Do you remember Merrick differential plan formulas? Okay, first we will write the formulas before doing the problem, right? So that we can easily remember. Let us solve the things one by one, right? So where is my pen? Right, got the pen. So first wages under piece rate system. See, in piece rate we are having following formulas. One, straight or simple piece rate. Straight or simple piece rate, right? Straight or simple piece rate is what? Straight or simple piece rate is E is equals to P into R. Okay, R here means rate per unit. You can use another formula, actual output into normal piece rate. NPR means what? Normal piece rate. Any formula you can use, no problem. A is actual output. Okay, you can use any one formula. Next what is our here there are differential systems. Okay, differential piece rate. Differential piece rates. One is straight piece rate, another differential piece rate. Under that we have one person called Taylor differential piece rate. What is Taylor differential piece rate? Taylor differential piece rate, Taylor says don't pay normal rate. Either you pay lower rate, एक lower rate pay करो, नहीं तो higher rate pay करो. Okay, one is what? Lower rate. Another one is what? Higher rate. Okay, one is lower rate, another one higher rate. What is lower rate? When it is being paid, if actual output is less than standard output. Okay, if actual output is less than standard output, then pay normal piece rate into 80%. See, this is general assumption 80%. If in the question they say 75%, take 75%. Okay, next one. If actual output is greater than standard output, if actual output is greater than standard output, then pay normal piece rate into 120%. Okay, normal piece rate into 120%. Okay, so in this what we need to do, whatever normal piece rate is there, to that we need to calculate, right? नेक्स्ट वन इज व्हाट? एक टेलर का है, और दूसरा मेरिक डिफरेंशियल पीस रेट. व्हाट इट इज? सेकंड वन अंडर डिफरेंशियल सिस्टम, मेरिक डिफरेंशियल पीस rate. Okay, how to calculate metric differential piece rate? Very simple, it is based on efficiency level. Here you will write efficiency level, here metric differential piece rate percentage. Okay, so what he says, what Merrick says, up to 83% of efficiency level उनका 83% है. So then calculate normal piece rate into 100%. Okay, 83% to 100%, then normal piece rate into 110% we need to calculate. Suppose it is 100% and above. If it is 100% and above, normal piece rate into 120% we need to take, right? Like this we need to calculate the metric. And how to calculate efficiency level? Efficiency level calculation is also important. How to calculate efficiency level? Actual output divided by standard output into 100. In simple, we will call it as AO by SO into 100. This is how you will calculate efficiency level. Okay, efficiency level calculate करना पहले. If efficiency level is more, you will get more. If efficiency level is less, you will get lesser value. So how to do this one? Here one question is there, right? So this is November December 2018 question. Just now we have seen. Before going to the answer, first we will see the working notes. Okay, so first let us see the working note. Okay, calculation of metric differential rate. Efficiency level is equals to metric differential rate percentage, metric differential rate in rupees. Up to 83%. Okay, up to 83% efficiency means 82. Normal rate. Okay, what is your normal rate? 5 rupees. So 5 rupees. 83 to 100% of efficiency, normal rate piece rate into 110%, 5 rupees into 110, 5.5. 100% and above, normal rate into 120%, 5 rupees into 120, it is 6 rupees. Okay, so we are doing under metric differential piece rate system, right? So let us see the answer now. Statement showing wages of worker A, worker B under merit differential piece rate. Particulars worker A, worker B, right? Worker A, worker B, I am writing. A standard output 40 units for both. Actual output AO 32 units, 42 units. Efficiency level actual output divided by standard output into 100. Okay, let us calculate. Already calculated, फिर भी आपके लिए 32 divided by 32 units divided by 40 units into 100, 80%, so we wrote 80% here, and 42 divided by 40 into 100, 105%, this one. Okay, next 105%. Now metric differential piece rate, go to what is efficiency, 80%. Up to 83% we need to take normal rate. What is our normal rate? Up to 83%, 5 rupees with 5 rupees. Okay, what is efficiency here? 100% and above. In case of 100% and above, 6 rupees we need to take. So right here 6. Okay, into metric differential rate. So actual output 32 units into differential rate 5 rupees. So 32 into 5, 160, right? Similarly 42 into 6 rupees, 252. This is how we need to calculate under metric. Okay, don't go away, we will do one more relating to Taylor method we will do. Okay, here we are having question number July 2021, question number 13. Okay, this is relating to how to convert time rate into piece rate. Okay, sometimes this like this twisted problems will be given. Let us do. I have thoroughly checked. Whatever I am doing is for revision. If you do this, you can do the other papers also. Okay, so let us do the labor question under now July 2021. Okay, go to July 2021, question number 13. Right, right, here we got. Hope it is clear now. Is it appearing? Just give me a comment. Is it appearing clearly or not? Okay, hope it is appearing. और थोड़ा zoom कर दूँ. Right. From the following particulars, calculate earnings of P and Q on straight piece rate basis and Taylor differential piece rate system. From this we need to calculate under straight piece rate as well as Taylor. Just now we did one under piece rate is what? Merit. Now these two are other two methods. Standard production is 16 units per hour. Per hour how many units are made? 16 units per 1 hour, right? Okay, underline that one. Normal time rate is, please remember, this is time rate, not piece rate, rupees 80 paise per hour. For 1 hour, for 1 hour they are paying 80 paise, right? Okay, mark it. In 9 hours day, in how many hours? In 9 hours day. Okay, P produce 108 units and Q produce 150 units. Differentials applied is 80% rate below the standard, 120% piece rate above the standard. जब 80% below the standard and above the standard, those are relating to Taylor indication. Question is relating to Taylor. So first we will do the working notes, later we will do the answer. Hope it is appearing clear, right? So July 2021 question we are doing. July 2021 question we are doing. Working notes. Okay, working notes are information given. Time rate per hour 80 paise per hour. Standard units are output per hour 16 units per hour it is, right? Then number of hours worked per day is 9 hours. Actual output for, okay, per day, worker P 108 and worker Q 150. Next we need to calculate normal piece rate. What we need to calculate? We need to calculate normal piece rate. Okay, converting time rate, okay, into piece rate. Piece rate is equals to normal time rate per hour divided by standard units per hour. See, for 1 hour they are paying 80 paise. ఒక గంటకి 80 paise పే చేస్తున్నారు. ఇన్ ఒక గంటలో 16 यूनिट्स అవుతున్నాయి. సో ఒక్క యూనిట్కి ఎంత అన్నది క్యాలిక్యులేట్ చేస్తున్నాం. एक घंटे में उनको 16 यूनिट्स बना रहे, उसके लिए उनको कितने पे कर रहे, 80 पैसे पे कर रहे. सो 80 पैसे डिवाइडेड बाय 16 यूनिट्स यू विल गेट पर 1 यूनिट हाउ मच. सो नॉर्मल पीस रेट इज इक्वल्स टू 0.05 पैसे 0.05 paise per hour, right? So standard output per day, okay, standard output per day in 1 hour 16 units. For 9 hours how many units? So standard output per hour into number of hours in a day, 16 into 9 144 units. Okay, now calculate Taylor differential piece rate. Which rate? Taylor differential piece rate. One is higher rate, another one is lower rate. Higher rate is what? Actual output is greater than or equals to standard. Then normal rate into 120%. What is our normal rate? Just now we got 0.5 paise into 120%. Okay, we can calculate 0.5 into 120%, 0.6. So 0.6 paise. Below the standard, okay, 0.05 into 80%. So it is 0.04 paise. So Taylor, one is lower rate we have calculated, one is higher rate. Okay, now let us see the answer. Okay, statement showing wages of worker, okay, under straight piece rate and Taylor differential piece rate. Under which method? One is straight piece rate, another one is under Taylor differential piece rate. Worker P, worker Q, particulars. Standard output 144 units, 144 units for both. Actual output 108 A has made, this is given in the question, 108, and worker Q 150. So 150. Then normal piece rate 0.05. Wages under straight rate. Piece rate, actual output into normal piece rate. 180 into 0.5, 5.4. 150 into 0.5, 7.5. This is straight piece rate. We have done one method. Wages under Taylor differential method. Actual output into Taylor differential piece rate. Okay, वर्किंग नोट 7 में यहाँ पे अभी कैलकुलेट करें ना, दिस रेट्स वी विल यूज हियर. सो actual output is less than standard because see here, actual output is 108, standard output is 144. So actual output is less than standard, so we need to take lower rate. What is our lower rate? 0.04. सो 0.04 से मल्टीप्लाई करो एक्चुअल आउटपुट को. 108 इंटू 0.04 यू विल गेट हाउ मच? 4.32. Next, under here 150 units. What is his standard? 144. So actual output is greater than standard. We need to take, okay, 150 into 0.06. How you got 0.06? See here, higher rate if above the standard, 0.06. So same we have taken here. So 150 into 0.06, 9 rupees. This is how we need to calculate the answer. Okay. Shall we do one more problem relating to labor, or shall we end here labor chapter? Okay. November December 2021 क्वेश्चन नंबर 13 लेबर का ही क्वेश्चन है फिर से एक बार. And this is exam textbook question. You can do it from textbook also. Okay. Shall we do it, or will you do by yourself? Just give a comment, because labor we have done. Okay. Next chapter we can do now. We did up to labor. It is already 1 hour 20 minutes. एक 10 मिनट का इधर उधर का पहले का वेस्ट का निकाल दिए तो सी आई विल डेडिकेट माई टाइम टू यू ऑल, नो प्रॉब्लम. वो एक रहा या दो रहे ऑनलाइन पे भी नो प्रॉब्लम फॉर मी. whoever will be there, they will be benefited. For them we are doing. Okay. So जल्दी से बता दो. Shall we go for the other chapters? Hello, mic testing 1 2 3. Just give in comment section a comment. I'll have some water meanwhile. We did material, we did labor. Now let us go with the another chapter called, बोलो जल्दी से, कौन सा करेंगे? Give me the chapter which you want. Unit output casting, tender quotation problem generally will be asked. Okay. Job costing, one job costing बता दो यार जल्दी से. Okay, we will do. हेलो जल्दी से बोल दो. Let us go with the another question. Let us do from the okay unit output casting. Unit output casting, tender or quotation problems will come. So let us calculate those also. Okay. Hello. Chat is single output casting, that is what I am saying. Shubman Rathod. Okay, we will do that one. Any other? Rambo, hi. Okay, let us do single or unit or output costing is our next topic. And here I am having one question. In a factory, two types of articles are produced. I'll make it little clear to you. We'll do this one. Directly I'm going. See, if you want to learn it in detail, you need or output costing, one playlist is available. You can do it from there, cost accounting. Okay. In a factory, two types of articles are produced, A and B. From the following particulars, prepare a statement showing total cost of each variety and ascertain the total profit. What saying? Total cost and total profit find out karo for both the products A and B. Material, A is required 60,000 and B is required 1 lakh. Wages 1 lakh 20,000 and 1 lakh 40,000. And this is very important question. Okay. Works on cost is charged 40% of works cost. 40% on works cost, please remember. Okay. And office on cost is taken 20% of total cost. Very good, super. A sold during the period 180 units at rupees 240 each, and article B sold 200 units at 300 rupees each. Let us do wonderful question we have got. Put the heading statement showing cost sheet statement showing cost sheet of product A and product B. Okay. Of a factory, right? Here I am taking for product A, here I am taking for product B. Product A, product B. So here particulars, product A, product B. One is total column, another one is per unit column in this. Okay. Here also one is per unit, another one is total. Hope it is appearing clearly now. Is it clear? Please give a comment. Okay. Total cost per unit. Total cost per unit. And product A is sold how many units? Product A is sold 180, product B is sold 200. So यहाँ पे मैं लिख रहा हूँ 180 units, here 300 units, right? Sorry, 200 units, not 300. 200 units, 180 units. Okay. And this is question relating to July 2021. July 2021. Okay. July 2021 problem we are doing. Right. So now we have started unit output costing. A material, direct material 60,000 for product A, 1 lakh for product B. Okay. B wages are direct wages for product A 1 lakh 20,000 and for product B 1 lakh 40,000. Okay, no problem. C, direct expenses. Right there, if it is not given, we will write dash or nil. Next, D, what? Prime cost. So write prime cost. Add this and take the total. 160 plus 1 lakh 20, 1 lakh 80,000. 1 lakh plus 1 lakh 40,000, 2 lakh 40,000. Right? This is the there. E, add factory overheads. We need to add factory overheads. What they said, works on cost 40% of works cost. What they said, works on cost means works overheads or overheads is 40% of works cost. When you will get works cost, when you add works overheads, you will get works cost. Here you will be having total works cost, right? Do you have works cost now? No, we don't. See, this is 40% on this, it is 40%, this is on this. On works cost they said. So works cost is 100 and this is 40. Here you don't know value. So your prime cost will be 60. This is 60%. This is 40%. This is 100, right? For 60%, how much it is? 1,80,000. So 1,80,000 divided by 60 into 40 you do. Okay, you will get the value. Here 2,40,000 into 40 divided by 60, because we have value relating to 60%, not 100%. So like this we need to calculate. This is very important point in this question. Okay, if you miss this calculation, your entire problem will go wrong. Okay, so let us calculate the value. 1,80,000 divided by 60 into 40, right? So it is 1,20,000. So I am writing here 1,20,000. Next, 2,40,000 divided by 60 into 40, 1,60,000. So right here 1,60,000. Now 1,60,000 plus 2,40,000, 4 lakhs is your works cost. 4 lakhs writing here. If you want to check, you can check it from here. How much percentage works cost? Works overheads 40% of works cost into 40% you do, divided by 100. So you got 1,60,000. So on this, if you calculate directly 40%, you are getting the same value. So whatever calculation you did is correct. Similarly, 1,80,000 plus 1,20,000, it is 3 lakhs, right? On 3 lakhs, if you calculate directly 40% also now, you will get 1,20,000. When your values are matching, whatever calculation you did is correct, right? So now let us calculate next point. What they are saying, office and administration overheads we need to add. A, B, C, D, E, F is over G. Add office and administration overheads, right? But what they are saying, office on cost is 20% of total cost. Office on cost is 20% of total cost. If you add this, you will get total cost, right? So here is, we are having E, F, G, H, total cost, as there is no selling and distribution expenses. So do you have total cost? No, but you have office cost 20%, okay, on total cost. On whatever is they are saying now, on that, on is 100%. So 100 this is 20. So here your works cost will, this will become 80%, right? So whatever works cost we are having is 80. So what we need to do, 3 lakh into 20 divided by 80 we need to do. So let us calculate 3 lakhs. 3 lakhs into 20 divided by 80. 75,000. Okay. How much it is? 75,000. 1 minute. 3 lakhs divided by 80 into 20. 75,000, right? Next we are having 4 lakhs into 20 divided by 80. Now 4 lakhs into 20 divided by 80. 1 lakh. 1 lakh plus 4 lakhs, 5 lakhs is your total cost, right? On 5 lakhs plus 4 lakhs, 5 lakhs into, if you do 20%, you are getting 1 lakh again. So our calculation is correct. Next 3,75,000. If you want to calculate 3,75,000 into 20% directly, now you do, this is 75,000. So calculations are correct. Now per unit value we need to calculate. Let us calculate per unit values. 60,000 divided by 180. 60,000, I am showing 60,000 divided by 180 units, it is 333.33, and 1,20,000 divided by 180. So 180, it is 666.67. okay, add both. Plus 33.333 thousand, 0.00 it is. Next 1,20,000 divided by again 180, it will be 666.67. if you add both, 3 lakhs divided by 180, 166.67, 1,666.67. 75,000 divided by 180, 416.67. okay, 3,75,000 divided by 180. okay, एक तो 6 ले लो. okay, so it is 2083.33. similarly we need to do for this one. 1 lakh divided by 200, 500.00. 1,40,000 divided by 200, 2,40,000 divided by 200 units, 1,200. next 1,60,000 divided by 200, 800, and here it is 2,000. next 1 lakh divided by 200, again 500 it will be. 5 lakhs divided by 200, 2,500, right? This is our total cost per unit. okay, So next we need to check the sales. Leave one line for profit or loss. We will do that one. HI, okay. J, what is our J? Sales. Sales per unit is how much they said? 180 units sold at 2400. So here you write 2400, okay. 2400 into 180, 4,32,000. From 4,32,000 deduct 3,75,000 total cost. So profit is 57,000. How much? 57,000. This is our profit. Add profit, balancing figure, okay. Next 57,000 divided by 180, it will be 316.67 is per unit profit. 4,000.00. Now sales 3,000 rupees per unit, 3,000.00 into 200, it will be 6 lakhs. From 6 lakhs if you deduct 5 lakhs, it will be 1 lakh. This is our balancing figure. 1 lakh divided by 200, 500 per unit is the profit. Hope this is how you need to do unit and output costing, okay. यूनिट आउटपुट कास्टिंग प्रॉब्लम ऐसा करना है. This in this problem the key calculation is this. If they say calculate on works cost, you can directly apply percentage, but in this question they said on total cost. So total cost is 100, office cost is 20%, and this will become 80. That is how we have done. This is very important question, okay. July 2021 क्वेश्चन नंबर 13. क्वेश्चन नंबर 13 है, ओके. सॉरी, क्वेश्चन नंबर 15, not 13, it is 15. We'll do one more problem relating to it, okay. Unit output costing related one more problem we will do. See, these type of questions are asking n number of times, okay. They are asking again and again this type of problems. So let us solve the one question relating to it. Similar question is asked again and again by changing the values. That's it, okay. The following information is the manufacturing in a factory बोल के एक क्वेश्चन दिए, okay. This is previous question, June July 2019. June July 2019 12A we are doing. Which one it is? Be careful with this question. This is called as tender or quotation problem also, okay. Tender or quotation problem. June July 2019 question number is 12A. What is the question is all about? See, tender and quotation problem we are doing relating to unit output costing. I'm again telling, in unit output costing I have made a playlist. You can watch those for clarity purpose. ओके, हियर फ्रॉम एग्जाम पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू वी आर रिवाइजिंग. ओके, आपको कॉन्सेप्ट चाहिए तो 4 वीडियो है, देख लीजिए. యూ కెన్ సీ 4 వీడియోస్ ఆర్ దేర్. ఆ వీడియోలోనే యూనిట్ అవుట్పుట్ కాస్టింగ్కి సంబంధించి ప్లేలిస్ట్ ఉంది, యూనిట్ అవుట్పుట్ కాస్టింగ్ అని చెప్పేసి. రైట్ నౌ ఇప్పుడు మనం ఏం చేద్దామంటే ఈ ప్రాబ్లమ్ సాల్వ్ చేద్దాం. ఓకే ఓకే The following information is from manufacturing account of a factory for the year ended 31/12/1980. 31/12/1980. Material 6 lakhs, wages 4 lakhs, factory expenses 2,40,000. Okay, and office expenses 1,55,000. This is the textbook question. Similar question is there in the textbook. Okay, from the following information, okay, material consumed 6 lakhs, wages 4 lakhs, factory expenses 2,40,000, and office overheads 1,55,000. During the 1981, factory received a request from a customer for quotation which estimates material 40,000, wages 60,000. What should be the quotation if factory desires to make a profit 25% on selling price? Please remember, whatever is on is there, that is 100. Let us do uh, this problem. This is relating to unit output costing problem. Okay, unit or output costing problem. Let us do it quickly. Now it is 1 hour 47 minutes. Okay, we started the live. Let us see how much time it will take for us to solve this problem. 10 to 15 minutes we need to do. How much time? Live ends at what time? We will do till we finish all the chapters. Okay, I don't know how much time it will take. Maybe till 5:30 or 6 or 6:30 it will take. Okay, in exam you are going to do work for 3 hours now. Our live is also for 3 hours. Okay, so let us solve. It is 1 hour 48 minutes we have starting the answer. Okay, first we need to prepare a cost sheet. Okay, right there, cost sheet for the year ending 31/12/1980. Okay, one inner column amount का, one outer column. Right, very simple question. Okay, let us do one by one. थोड़ा ऊपर करता हूँ. Right, so that it would be good for us in calculating. Now you can see first given material, right? Material consumed, particulars rupees. A, direct material consumed, direct material 6 lakhs. I am writing outer column directly, there is no per unit value. B, direct wages 4 lakhs, so I am writing here 4 lakhs. C, direct expenses, though direct expenses are not given, we need to write for pro forma sakes. D, prime cost 6 plus 4 10 lakhs, so write 10 lakhs, right? 10 lakhs. Next, E, add factory overheads. In factory overheads we have factory expenses given. Factory expenses 2,40,000. So factory cost or factory cost or works cost after adding this will become 12,40,000. So writing 12,40,000. Hope you are understanding what I am doing, right? Next, EFG, add office and administration overheads. Under office and administration overheads, add office expenses given. Office expenses given 1,55,000. So total it will become 13,95,000. Let us take one once. Okay, 6 lakhs material, 4 lakhs wages, and factory expenses 2,40,000, 12,40,000 plus 1,55,000. 13,95,000 is our what? Total cost or cost of production, right? H, cost of production or total cost 13,95,000. Now we need to calculate percentages. Working notes from this. Working note 1, calculation of percentage of direct wages, percentage of factory overheads on direct wages. So what is the formula for that? Percentage of factory overheads equals to factory expenses divided by direct wages into 100. What is our factory expenses? Factory expenses 2,40,000. What is direct wages? 4 lakh rupees. Rupees symbol into 100. So 2,40,000 divided by 4 lakhs into 100, 60% we will get, right? 60%. Next, working note 2, calculation of percentage of office overheads. You can see here, थोड़ा ब्लर हो रहा, जस्ट ए मिनट, अगर ब्लर हो रहा तो थोड़ा बता दो. ओवरहेड्स ऑन वर्क्स कास्ट और फैक्ट्री कास्ट. Okay, so percentage of office overheads equals to office expenses divided by works cost into 100. So office expenses 1,55,000 divided by rupees 1,55,000 divided by rupees 13,95,000 into 100. So 1,55,000 divided by 13,95,000 into 100. एक मिनट, 1,55,000. Sorry, we have taken wrong amount. Factory cost is 12,40,000, not 13 lakh. That is total cost. So it is 12,40,000. I write here 1,55,000 divided by 12,40,000 into 100, not this one. So 1,55,000 divided by 12,40,000 into 100. It is 12.5%, and these percentages we will use under tender or quotation. Now put the heading statement showing quotation or tender in 1981. Okay, one outer column, one inner column for calculations, right? So rupees and particulars received from customer for quotation which estimates material 40,000, wages 30,000. So material 40,000, B wages 30,000, C direct expenses not there, D prime cost 70,000, right? 70,000. So ABCDE add factory overheads. Factory overheads, how much percentage we have got here? 60% of direct wages. So right there 60% of direct wages. So what is your direct wages given here? 30,000 into 60%. So 30,000 into 60%, 18,000. 30,000 into 60%, 18,000 add कर दो. What you will get? We will get factory cost. Therefore factory or works cost 88,000. 70 plus 18,000. Next G, add office and administration overheads. Under this, what they said, office overheads 12.5% of works cost, right? So what is your works cost? Just now we calculated 88,000. So 88,000 into 12.5%. So how much it is? 88,000 into 12.5%, 11,000. So take 11,000 as here. Next total cost, as there is no selling and distribution expenses. Total cost 88,000 plus 11,000, 99,000. Okay, and they are saying H I add profit 25% on selling price. They said how much? 25% of selling price. 25% of selling price. So here, do you have selling price? No, this is your selling price or quotation price. See, do you have selling price? No. On selling price, if you have directly, you could have done. మన దగ్గర సెల్లింగ్ ప్రైస్ ఉంటే దానిపైన డైరెక్ట్గా తీసుకుంటుండే. percentage, but here we don't have directly. So what we need to do, we need to go with the formula. 25% on selling price means selling price is 100%, profit 25%, this will be 75%. So here working note 3, I am calculating calculation of profit 25% on selling price. Okay, that is total cost. If total cost 75% equals to 99,000, then profit 25% is how much? Cross multiplication. 99,000 into 25 divided by 75 will be 33,000, I guess. Let us do calculation. 99,000 into 25 divided by 75, 33,000 is our profit. This is we are going to write here, and 33,000 plus 99,000, 1,32,000 is quotation price, right? It is exactly after completing the answer 2.20 hours. It was 1.48. Let us calculate the time. 2.02 minus, at that time it was 2.02 minus 1.48. Hello. It took almost 12 minutes. Right, 12 minutes. लाइव सेशन एक का ख़त्म हो गया और एक है ये नया. आई थिंक दिस इज़ अनदर लाइव. आई विल पोस्ट. which topic you want, please tell me. एक लाइव सडनली कट हो गया आफ्टर डूइंग 2 hours. It has gone. I don't know whether whatever we did will be available at YouTube or not. Just now we are continuing. Okay, after 2 hours of live we are still. I am ready. Marathon means like this only it will be. Next topic, what you want? See, tender quotation we did, unit output costing, 2 problems we did. Let us go with the some other chapter. Because remaining are similar to this. Job costing. Shall we go with the job costing? Just give in the comment. Comment karo. Hello. 3 are there online. Please inform me. Meanwhile you inform your friends. उनको भी आने के लिए बोलो. लाइव पे 5 जने हैं. 5 जने थोड़ा कमेंट कर दो कैसा है सेशन अभी तक. How it is till now. Hope it is useful for you all, right? यूज़ है ना. घर में थोड़ा चाय दिए, चाय पी लेंगे, राइट? So inform your friends to come and join. We'll do job casting. यहाँ पे एक क्वेश्चन रखा है जॉब कास्टिंग का, राइट? फ्रॉम द सेम प्रीवियस क्वेश्चन पेपर जून जुलाई 2019. June July 2019 job casting, very simple one, easy one. क्वेश्चन पेपर चाहिए आपको, इन द इम्पोर्टेंट क्वेश्चंस लिस्ट इट इज़ अवेलेबल. क्वेश्चन पेपर्स आपके पास नहीं है, प्रीवियस क्वेश्चन पेपर्स. डू यू हैव टेक्स्ट बुक? सबके पास टेक्स्ट बुक है क्या? टेक्स्ट बुक विल डू फ्रॉम टेक्स्ट बुक, नो प्रॉब्लम. त्रिवेदी का टेक्स्ट बुक है, ये पंकज का. डू यू हैव दिस वन? I'll make sure that in exam whatever asked previously, those which are available in this textbook, we will do that one. वैसे टेक्स्ट बुक का क्वेश्चन भी हो जाएगा, as well as whatever previously asked exam question, that is also covered. What you say? थोड़ा कमेंट कर दो. कास्ट अकाउंटिंग का बुक है ना, आरपी त्रिवेदी, पंकज पब्लिकेशंस. विल डू फ्रॉम दैट, नो प्रॉब्लम. जल्दी से बता दो. जॉब कॉस्टिंग, shall we go with the job costing? Hi Vaishnavi. ओके, टेक्स्ट बुक निकालो सब लोग, टेक्स्ट बुक में से करेंगे. अच्छा, shall I do it or shall I explain from the notes? वो भी बता दो. हाय वैष्णवी, हाय. फातिमा जी बता दीजिए जल्दी. जॉब कास्टिंग overheads. Here is the job costing question. सी वैल्यूज चेंज करके सेम क्वेश्चन को पूछते हैं एग्जाम में बस. ओके. हेलो. See the question number 2 in page number F7. In page number F7 you might be having textbook with you. अच्छा, डू यू गेटिंग एनी बैकग्राउंड म्यूजिक? సౌండ్ వస్తుందా మీకు? ఈజ్ దట్ ఓకే? నాను కొంచెం సౌండ్ తక్కువ చేయవా? వికాస్ వాల్యూమ్ కొంచెం తక్కువ చేయవా? హలో. సో లెట్ us solve the problem, or shall I show it from the notebook? I am asking that one because I have the notes for online class. I have taken this. Okay, so if you say we will do it from that, or else I'll solve the problem. क्या बोलती है जनता? जल्दी जल्दी बोलो. Okay, I'll do it, no problem. We'll do it. Easy question itself. Is it appearing clearly? Hello, is it appearing clearly? Following is the information extracted from the casting records of J Engineering Works, Hyderabad, in respect of job number 50. Material 4000. Wages department A 80 hours, 4 rupees per hour. 4 into 80, 320 it will be, right? Next, department B 70 hours at 3 rupees per hour. 7 3s are 21, 210. And department C 60 hours into 5 rupees, 250. Sorry, 50 hours into 5 rupees, right? Next, department A 8000 for 8000 direct labor hours. Department B 4000 for 2000 direct labor hours. Amount divided by units we need to do. Okay. And department C 2000 rupees for 1000 labor hours. And fixed overheads, always fixed overheads should be taken at normal working hours. Okay. So 9000 divided by 9000 hours. Okay, you are required to calculate price to be charged as to give a profit 20% on selling price. Selling price के ऊपर 20% कैलकुलेट करने के लिए बोल रहे हैं. Okay, is that clear? Similar type of problem again and again asked in the exam with changing the values. Okay, so let us do this one. Put the heading. Is this okay now? अब मैं जो लिख रहा हूँ वो दिखाई दे रहा आपको? This is textbook question. Question number 2, Pankaj Publications, page number F7. Okay. Statement showing job cost sheet for job number 50. Right? Right? Good. So, particulars, amount in rupees. First one, A, direct material given 4000, so take 4000. Then B, direct wages department A 80 hours at rupees 4 per hour. 8 4s are 32. Just a minute. अरे लाइटिंग क्या हो रहा, क्यों नाच रहा एकदम? हेलो लाइट. 4 into 8, 320. Department B 70 hours at rupees 3 per hour is given, so 210. Then department C 50 hours at rupees 5 per hour, 250. Add this 320 plus 210 plus 250, 780. Then C, direct expenses not there, dash. D, prime cost. See, job cost sheet is also similar to your cost sheet, so same things we need to write. Okay, so it is how much? 74780 if you add both. 4000 plus 780, right? Next we need to add variable overheads and fixed overheads. See here, variable overheads given in the question, variable overheads. So add variable overheads. Department A, how many? 8,000 rupees for 8,000 hours. So into department A has worked how many hours? Department A worked 80 hours. So into 80 hours you take. Okay. So how much it will be? 8,000 divided by 8,000, 1 rupee. So it will be 80 rupees. Right. Next department B. Department B, 4,000 rupees divided by 2,000 hours into 70 hours. Department B has worked, so department B 70 hours. So 4,000 divided by 2,000 into 70, 140. So it is 140 here. Next, department C is how much amount? Rupees 2,000 for 1,000 labor hours. 1,000 hours into how many hours department C has worked? C has worked 50 hours. So right here 50 hours. So 50 into 2 rupees, 100 rupees. 2,000 divided by 1,000, it will be 1 rupee. 1 rupee into 50, 50 rupees. So total together 140 plus 50 plus 80, 270. So 270 plus 4780. It is 5050. Right? This is before taking that, this is variable overheads. We need to add fixed overheads also. So A B C D F में fixed overheads. Add fixed overheads for all departments. Okay, fixed overheads. Okay, department A plus department B plus department C together worked how many hours? Department A worked 80 plus department B 70, department C 50. Together 120, 200. How many hours? 200 hours, I think. 80 plus 70 plus 50, 200 hours. So 200 it is, right? 200 hours. So 200 hours. What is the rate? Fixed overheads 9,000 rupees divided by 9,000 hours. Okay, into 200 hours. So how much it is? 200 into 1 rupee, 200. Take it to the order column, 200. Okay, so total cost. Now total cost A B E F G, total cost 200 plus 270 plus 4780. Okay, how much? 4780. 5250. This is our total cost, right? Then HGH, add profit. What they are saying? Profit 20% on selling price. So 20% on selling price, and HI selling price or sales. We don't know, but on that we need to calculate. So on what they said? On selling price they said. So this is 100%, this is 20%, and this is 80%. So profit, okay, 5250 into 20 divided by 80. If you do, you will get profit. So 5250 into 20 divided by 80 is how much? 25% on selling price only, no? 52, 1 minute, 4780 plus 270 plus 200 divided by 80 into 20. 1312.5. సో యాడ్ బోత్. ఎక్కడన్నా చిన్న మిస్టేక్ ఏమైనా అయిందా అనిపిస్తుంది. హియర్ వి మేడ్ ఎ మిస్టేక్. జస్ట్ ఎ మినిట్. See here, 2000 divided by 1000, 2 rupees into 50, 100. So 100 plus 140 plus 80, 320 it is, 320. 320 plus 200 plus 4780, 5300. So 5300. Here I am calculating profit. 5300 into 20 divided by 80 into 20. Exact వస్తుంది అది 13,025. So add this to 5300. 6625 is our answer. This is how we need to do job costing, right? Similar type of question again and again they are asking, okay, of job costing. Let us see one more interesting question relating to job costing, this short question. Okay, this we have already covered in short questions list. Okay, very simple, I'll explain, you can do it easily. Okay, and don't forget to do this illustration problem also from textbook. Okay, hello, are you there? Just give a comment. Sir, in variable overheads, department C is 100. Thank you, madam. Who was that? Vaishnavi. Okay, Vaishnavi, I have changed it. Vaishnavi. I didn't get your message directly. Okay, I have changed it, 100 rupees. We changed the answer also. Let us do one thing. I'll change the direction. My phone battery is going down. It is 10% now. So we'll stop here. It is 6:10 and we'll meet at 9 o'clock. Is that okay? Please tell me, is that okay? My phone is going dead. We can't do the live now, so we will be again meet at 9 o'clock and we will do process costing, contract costing. Okay, process and contracts both are pending, we can do those two, right? Hope this is useful for you all. Is it useful? So I'm ending here. We will do it after 9 p.m. We'll meet again and inform your friends also. Thank you. Thank you. Till that time, whatever we have completed till now, you practice them. Okay, you practice those topics: material, labor, job costing, unit output costing. 4 chapters we finished. All those 4 chapters you practice. In the night 9 o'clock we will start, and 9 to 10, 10 to 11 it may take. You to charge your phones. And we'll do till 11 o'clock, and we'll finish 1 hour process costing, 1 hour contract costing, right? Process and contract 2 will be done at night 9 p.m. Please inform your friends. Thank you. Jai Hind.